Fidessa works in capital markets, and it feels like every year there are more venues that we have to deal with, more rules, more regulations, and more protocols. And against this growing complexity in the marketplace, Fidessa provides a single interface to trade across the world and across the asset classes. Performance across this complex trading landscape is important to our clients because if they want to execute a trade, they don't want the market to change on them. Determinism is critical in the capital markets. We tested a server based on the Intel Xeon Gold 6154 processor against a previous generation of the Intel Xeon processor. In one of our core tests, we simulate 10,000 orders to market, and we measure the latency through the application. We saw an improvement in performance across the board with a mean improvement of 18% in direct market access trades. We also saw the consistency increase, with the difference between the fastest and the slowest improving and the standard deviation falling by 16.8%. Consistency is important to our customers because they need good performance even when the markets are busy and there is a lot of selling and buying. A layer above just accessing the markets, we have a smart order routing solution that monitors potentially dozens of markets at a time and has to make decisions to send orders out to those markets in parallel. The Intel Xeon Gold 6154 processor helps us tackle the complexity in the marketplace because it offers us 18 cores for parallel processing. Our solution is highly parallel, but it's also very sensitive to single-thread performance. And in the Intel Xeon Gold processor, we're able to combine those 18 cores with great single-thread performance. At this level of performance, the interaction between the software and the hardware is really important. We use Intel Vtune Amplifier to help identify places where the software is taking longer, and that allows us to tune the software for the biggest performance gains. We've been working with Intel for more than 10 years. Intel gives us access to information and products. Intel engineers help us tune our software on their processors. And in exchange, we give Intel feedback about how our software runs on their processors, especially in the capital markets. At Fidessa, we spend a lot of time making our software more performant. And one of the great things about the Intel Xeon Gold processor is that it just makes our software faster. And that means that our clients can get their orders into the market faster, and that makes their business better.